Saan nagpupunta?
Sagot ko, Camille.
Go, Camille!
Go, Camille!
Okay. Hi there, good morning. How are you? My side? What's your name? Camille, where are you from? Oh, yesterday, di ba Lasal din?
Araw-araw mo.
Tinatagtad tayo ng mga... Anyway, this is your first time doing Asilayan?
Parang ayaw nila.
Yeah, so all you have to do is step closer, grab her keeper, and give it a shake. Wow. Camille, her name is Isis. You know what, Camille? Sea lions have 34 to 38 teeth. Matignan? Oh. Perfectly designed for biting people like you. Perfectly designed for grasping and eating their food. Actually, they don't bite people. And of course, Camille, they just swallow the fish whole, they don't chew it. Yes. See? Okay, so Camille, are you ready? You bring extra close to you? Can you swim? You can swim? Oh, okay, you can swim right now. From the edge. Go ahead. No, go ahead. From the edge, start over there. I'm just kidding, away. Oh, okay, oh yeah. Okay, stand like this, Camille. I'll look at the camera. Oh, ask your friends to take pictures.
Ay, naman siyang cute.
Okay, on Facebook to, Camille. Wow, oh, smart. Good job. Okay, Camille, siyempre, before you leave, sa Isis, may bibigay pang special something.
Wala pa pa siya.
Okay, why don't you face me, okay? Here, offer your cheek. Wow! That was a good kiss! Good job, Camille. Thank you very much for being such a good
Hotel.
Ako din, sabi.
Good job.
Kitero talaga.
Lahat ng mga taga-Lasal, lumabayag na. Kahapon yung babae, gusto rin lumakoy eh. Okay, let's go on with the show. Good job, Isis.